If you're tired of soggy leftovers, greasy fried food, or waiting forever for your oven to heat up, you're definitely not alone. A good air fryer can completely change the way you cook, but with so many options available, it's hard to know which one is actually worth your money. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Frigidaire 3-in-1 air fryer to see if it deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. The Frigidaire 3-in-1 air fryer is designed for busy families, couples, students, and anyone looking for a simple way to prepare crispy, flavorful meals with less oil. It combines air fry, bake, and reheat functions into one compact appliance, making it suitable for everything from quick weekday dinners to reheating yesterday's leftovers. If you'd like to check the latest price, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the air fryer has a clean, modern look with a sleek black finish and an easy-to-read digital display. The controls are straightforward, so even if you've never owned an air fryer before, you'll feel comfortable using it after just a few minutes. Despite its space-saving footprint, the 5.3-quart basket offers plenty of room for family-sized portions. You can cook up to about 2.65 pounds of fries or roughly 2.5 pounds of chicken wings in one batch, making it ideal for serving 3 to 5 people without overcrowding the basket. One thing that immediately stands out is how beginner-friendly the cooking experience feels. Instead of scrolling through complicated menus, you get 5 convenient recipe presets for popular foods like chicken, meat, fish, vegetables, and frozen snacks. These presets remove much of the guesswork, helping you achieve reliable results without constantly checking cooking charts. For people who simply want to press a button and start cooking, this makes everyday meal preparation much easier. Performance is where the Frigidaire delivers exactly what most people expect from a modern air fryer. Foods cook noticeably faster than they would in a conventional oven, and the circulating hot air creates a crisp exterior while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Frozen French fries come out golden and crunchy. Chicken wings develop crispy skin with very little oil, and roasted vegetables cook evenly without becoming overly dry. The bake mode also performs well for smaller desserts, garlic bread, and baked snacks, while the reheat function gives pizza and leftovers a much fresher texture than using a microwave. Another feature worth mentioning is the automatic shake reminder. One common mistake with air fryers is forgetting to shake or flip food halfway through cooking, which can lead to uneven browning. This reminder helps solve that problem by prompting you at the right time, resulting in more consistent crispiness without requiring you to constantly watch the timer. It's a small feature, but one that genuinely improves the cooking experience. Cleaning is equally straightforward. The inner basket detaches easily from the collection tray, and thanks to the durable non-stick coating, food residue doesn't cling to the surface very much. Both the basket and tray are dishwasher safe, although a quick hand wash is often enough after most meals. The PFAS-free cooking surfaces are another welcome addition for buyers who are looking for cookware made without certain commonly discussed chemicals. Of course, no appliance is perfect. While the 5.3-quart capacity is generous for everyday cooking, larger households preparing multiple dishes at once may eventually want a dual basket or larger capacity model. Like most basket-style air fryers, you'll still get the crispiest results by avoiding overcrowding. And while the 3 cooking modes cover most daily needs, users looking for advanced dehydration or rotisserie functions may prefer a higher-end multifunction oven. If you're ready to make weeknight cooking faster and easier, the Frigidaire 3-in-1 air fryer is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.